How are you today? Are you feeling great? Are you happy? Miss Irene is happy if you are happy too. So, today Miss Irene will accompany you to do something fun. Do you know what we are going to do? We are going to plant. Yes, we are going to plant. Now, before we plant, we need to prepare some things. Do you know what we need for planting today? So today, before we plant, we need to prepare water, soil, pot, and also seeds. If you have sprayer, you also can fill your sprayer with water. Are you ready to start planting? Alright, before we start planting, what about if we take a look at our seeds? What seeds do you want to plant today? Today, Miss Irene is going to plant sawi seed, or maybe we call it Chinese cabbage seed. What about you? What seeds do you want to plant? What is the color of your seeds? Is it black like mine? Okay. Now, what about the shape? What is the shape of your seeds? Is it round? Is it oval? Okay. Now, does your seed have any smell? Do you want to try to smell it? What is the smell? So, after observing our seeds, let's take a bowl of water. After you have a bowl of water with you, let's take our seeds and put them inside the water. After you put your seeds inside the water, let's wait it for about 1 hour or 2 hours and we will see what happened, okay? After waiting for 2 hours, what do you see? What happened to your seeds, friends? Do you see some seeds that are floating, that are up, up, up? Do you see some seeds that are sinking, that is down, down, down? Do you still remember? Why do we need to do this? So which one do you think is the good seeds? The sinking one or the floating one? Yes, it's the sinking one. Why do you think that the sinking one is good? You can tell me why, okay? Alright, because we have known that the good seeds are the sinking one, let's take the sinking seeds, okay? Okay, after that, let's prepare the soil and also the pot. Put the soil inside the pot. You can use a shovel, but if you want to try to use your hands, that is okay. You can try to touch the soil and then you can feel it. What do you feel when you touch the soil? Is it wet? Is it dry? Do you like it? After finish putting your soil inside the pot, you can sprinkle water using your hand to the soil. But if you want to use your spray, that is okay. Make sure that your soil is wet, okay? After your soil is wet, now let's take the seeds that we have chosen before. After that, let's put the seeds on soil like this. Make sure that you give space from one seed to one another. Why do you think that we have to give space between seeds? Okay. Alright, now after you put the seeds on the soil, you can press it slowly with your hands. You can say, "Seeds grow well." After you finish putting your seeds inside the soil, now let's give water to it. You can use your sprayer again, or maybe you also can sprinkle it with your hand. Okay? Alright, finally, we finished planting our seeds. Yay! Wow, I cannot wait to see our plants to grow into plants. Oh, Miss Irene wants to ask you, what should we do in order our plants can grow well? Yes, you are correct. We have to take care of our plants. How do we take care of our plants? There are so many ways that we can do, right? And one of them is watering our plant every day. Now, friends, let's water our plant every day. And while you're watering it, what about if we observe the growth of the plant? You can make a table like this. You can write day 1, day 2, day 3, and so on. Even though I only give the example only until day 8, don't stop at day 8. Let's observe it every day. After you observe it, you can draw what you see in your plants in the table like this. Alright friends, I think that's all for today. I am so happy because I can plant my seed with you. And I cannot wait to see our plants to grow well. I believe you can take care of your plant, okay? And I think that's all. We will meet again in the next meeting. Bye friends, have a nice day.